There's the old heater box there. There's the dashboard, everything else up there. And here's the new heater box with the new heater core, evaporator core, the whole 9 yards. This guy comes around to this side. Got it all back in, bolted up. Gonna hook up the AC lines from the outside. Get the dashboard back in, buttoned up. 2014 Lincoln MKX. I hate working on these, but since other shops have been closing down around us, we've been getting more of these, I guess, North American and Japanese. But whatever. We'll be back once the dash is back in. Alright, got the dash back in, all bolted up. Just gonna plug everything in and get all the trim, center console and front seats bolted back and everything, steering column, and she'll be ready to fire up soon. Stay tuned. There we are, folks. All done. Like nothing came apart, man. Everything's so beautiful. Look at that. No gaps, no pry marks, none of that fucking, you know what I mean? Use proper tools, non-marring, trim tools, all that stuff. Look at this, beautiful. I even vacuumed up the floors before I put it all back together. Customer's gonna be nice and happy. They got heat, they got AC, everything's working. Beautiful. Man.